Are you a beginner runner and you're looking to avoid mistakes, rookie mistakes, and you want to stay healthy? If that's you, this video is for you. My name is Mona. I'm 64. I've been running a long time. I've used my running as an excuse to travel the world, and I'm here to share my knowledge and my experiences so anybody can become a runner at any age. Yes. So my first pointer, number one pointer, shoes. You need good shoes. Don't go online and ask people, what shoe do you use? Doesn't matter. So go to your local running store. They're trained professionals. The manufacturers train them in how to fit you and how to analyze your gait and ask you questions. So they recommend the best shoe for you, not just their favorite brand. It's the best shoe for you and your circumstances. So go to the local running store and buy it from them. Don't go there and ask for advice and then I'm going to think about it and go online and buy it online. Super uncool. Yeah, support your local running store. How many thousands have I given my local running store? Yikes! Number two is doing too much too fast. I'm avoiding this big puddle right here. Yeah. So I drove to the park today. Hi there. Are you a beginner runner and you're looking to avoid mistakes, rookie mistakes, and you want to stay healthy? If that's you, this video is for too much too fast, gives you plantar fasciitis. So go easy, take it slow. And I like to use time on feet. I've always been really big on time on feet. Keeping track of my mileage. Hi there. Are you a beginner runner and you're looking to avoid mistakes, rookie mistakes, and you want to stay healthy? If that's you, this video is for you. My name is Mona. I'm 64. You know, people post all these times and everything, and social media doesn't do us any favors. We don't need to compare ourselves when we're getting started. Your pace, your race, as I say to everybody. So time on feet is really important versus how many miles you've gone. And your smartphone or watch is going to tell you that too. But I always focus on time on feet. So number three is the terrain. See how nice this nice bridle path is? I'm at Griffith Park. Yeah, this is for the horses. Hi there. I did a couple miles out my front door. I live on a hill. It's pavement. And it's not easy. So today I came to the park because I wanted to video and I wanted to run a little bit more. And having this nice trail is going to be easier on my leg, my foot. Yeah, I've been a little injured. Hopping over chain link fences are not advisable at my age. So flat terrain in the park, soft. If you can walk in the grass, super, great, no problem. But being on the pavement, just keep in mind that's harder on your body and you want to kind of change it up. So I drove. I'm very fortunate I live so close to a beautiful place. And I also have great hilly terrain out here as well. So number four, recovery. You don't need to run every day. And sleep is really important. Last night I slept over 8 hours. Excited, ecstatic. Many times I don't sleep great. Many times I wake up. If I wake up in the middle of the night, hi there. Are you a beginner runner and you're looking to avoid mistakes, and your recovery is also includes nutrition, eating healthier, and drinking plenty of water. So that is a whole nother channel about running nutrition, but I will cover some of my tips and tricks. I eat a lot of real food. So I'm happy you've been here this long. Ask me questions, comment, your age, where you live, how I can help you, what kind of videos you want to see. Because again, I'm here to share my decades of wisdom. I'm not 20, I'm not 30. Yeah, I'm 64. And my energy is over the roof. And people always say, how do you do that? And it's because I'm super active and I love what I'm doing, and I want you to be able to enjoy your life and increase your energy. So follow me, subscribe, and share this with your friends. Thank you so much. This is my heart. Yeah, it's cold out here today.